Tired of Windows 11 restarting your PC for unannounced updates? Here is how to completely disable automatic updates using services. First, open your Start menu, type Services, and launch the Services app. Scroll down to the bottom of the list until you find Windows Update. Then double-click it to open its properties. Change the Startup Type drop-down to Disabled. Then click Apply. Next, switch to the Recovery tab at the top. Under First Failure, change the option to Take No Action. And click Apply, then OK. Finally, double-click Windows Update once more. If the status still says running, click the Stop button, wait for it to finish, and click OK. And that's it. Windows 11 will no longer auto-update. If you ever want them back on, just switch the startup type back to default. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tip.